We just wanted to show some video that we just have into the newsroom while we're discussing all of this. This is from inside the United Nations. A Security Council meeting was underway when the earthquake hit, and there was some shaking that was happening. It was caught on video, and we're going to take a look at some of this as we continue to talk to you.
So here we are. We're inside the United Nations Security Council meeting, and we want to see the expressions on their face. Everybody says, what in the world's going on? I don't see a whole lot of shaking.
There's just some vibrations there that we are taking a look at. I did see some movement, not extreme as we were looking at, but you see a little bit of that.
Go ahead. Education is...
Wow. Earthquake.
Is that an earthquake?
Yeah.
Well, education is...
You're making the ground shake.
And we also have some video from Astoria, Queens. Someone captured the shaking inside their apartment, and we saw a bar cart, really shaking as the tremors were being felt throughout the city. Of course, as we take a look at it here. It's interesting because some people were saying it felt like a train was going by when you were talking to Maurice Dubois. Wasn't he saying he thought a train was going by, but he doesn't have a train line right next to his place. So there you go. I mean, I think that is a real good, that's it. Yeah. That's what we were feeling. That shaking, that vibration. It didn't last long, but we all knew something wrong was going on, yes.
It is hard to capture video. I was in an earthquake in San Diego once, and I thought, well, the best place to show it, and it lasted a long time, went to the pool, and you could see there were waves in the pool. So it's interesting how it would manifest. That was pretty smart to just get a picture of that and to hear that. And that also kind of reinforces this 20-second duration.
Certainly. We also have video from Lebanon, New Jersey, and you can see a camera outside a home, and yeah, you see that shaking pretty rapidly. And if you time it out, some people were saying 15 seconds, but some of these are a little bit quicker than that. But this was pretty close to the epicenter of the quake. We did hear from Dan Rice, and he was saying that he really felt a significant shake. He's close to the epicenter too.
Seconds.
Exactly. Some of these are a little bit shorter than that, 15 to 20 seconds. Some people reporting up to 30 seconds. So it really depended on where you lived. But in Manhattan, there was a bit of shaking, a little bit of vibration. People wondering, was that a train coming by? What's going on? So, boy, what a morning, right, John?